Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist Trainer and Assessor here with the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a baby soft cleansing jelly. Now let me show you just how easy it is. Today we are creating this baby soft cleansing jelly, which goes on an oil. It's actually a micellar oil. Quite oily to look at when you put it on, but then when we add water to it, it turns into a beautiful milk. So this cleanses really easily with water, but leaves a really soft, gentle afterfeel on the skin. So it's really great for sensitive skin, particularly baby skin, which is sensitive. We will start with our hero ingredient, which is Micromoles LB. Micromoles LB is a Cosmos approved cold process material that can create mild micellar oils with low irritancy potential, making it ideal for sensitive skin. Liquid micellar oils will turn milky when water is added to them, so they offer a gentle milky cleanse and leave the skin feeling moisturized after rinse off. To the Micromoles LB, I will add a high input of humectant to attract and maintain water on the skin surface. And I'm just adding a really low input of water. Water will increase the cloudiness in this formula, so you really want to keep the water input very low. So I'll pop those on the overhead mixer and just combine them gently, and then I'll put together the lipid phase. For the lipid phase, I'm using some caprylic capric triglycerides for its light skin feel and long spreading properties, as well as some oat oil, which is rich in ceramides and soothing compounds, making it ideal for dry and sensitive skin. I'm also adding in a relatively high input of antioxidant because of the high input of plant oil. And I'm just going to add a touch of baby bath time fragrance. You want to keep the fragrance input low for baby products because of the irritancy potential. You can go fragrance free if you prefer. Now I'm just going to slowly add the lipid phase into the micromoles phase and just allow the lipids to blend together before adding in more lipids. You don't dump them all together like you would in an emulsion. After you've gently combined the lipid and the water phases under low shear, you can switch over and homogenize for 1 minute at high shear. Homogenizing the micromoles will create little air bubbles, so we'll just cover that over and leave it for a couple of days for the air bubbles to disperse before pouring off. And when we come back, we have this baby soft cleansing jelly, which is suitable for really sensitive skin. Turns into a beautiful milk as we cleanse it off. See, and that's how easy it is to make a baby soft cleansing jelly. If you like today's formula, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos just like this, and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for all our free formulas. Happy formulating!